It's Sunday night. We're sitting on the veranda. We just finished dinner. It's a really loud noise of a frog over by the pond. Right here. Some kind of bullfrog. We've got one warthog in the yard. His name is Tusker. He's got big tusks. When he turns around, you'll see. There's the frog stomp. Oh, back at it again. There's Tusker, big tusks. He comes around pretty much every night. Sometimes during the day, looking for treats, pellets, carrots, apples. Here goes the frog again. Must be some giant bullfrog. Of course, we can't see it from where we are, and if we walked over there, it would stop. It's pretty loud. Oh, Tusker's going to take a rest. Look at him go. Laying down. I wonder how long this will go on. Back at you later.